Hi everybody, my name is Nick with Don Johnston Incorporated. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can take a picture with your Chromebook, turn that picture into a PDF document, and then have Snap&Read read that document. So to begin, the first thing we need to do is open up our camera app on our Chromebook. There's me. And then we want to take a picture of whatever it is that we have handy that we want to have read to us. Now, it's key that you try to make this as straight as possible. Snap&Read really doesn't like crooked images, so try to line things up. I like to use the guidelines if you turn those on. Those will be on the left-hand side here. Once you've got the image, go ahead and, I think I switched from, there we go. Try that again here. Try to take another one. Again, the clearer the image, you also got to make sure, there we go. Maybe take a couple just to try to find the straightest one available for you. That's not very good. There we go. So this will be the one we use. So once we have our image that we like, go ahead and save that, or I'm sorry, copy that. So go into the image, right-click, copy image. Once you have that image copied, then we need to open up a blank Google Doc. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out, and we can paste that image into our Google Doc. Now, ideally, we can make this as large as we possibly can within here. You want to make it big enough so it doesn't, until it doesn't actually distort the image itself. So now that we have our image set up, we can go ahead and File, Download, and select PDF document. That's going to save to my device. Then I need to go into my Snap&Read extension, select PDF Reader, and then we do Open on the top left here, and from my device. So that will have saved automatically, in my case, to my download folder. That's the most recent one here. And once we have our image open, we can use our screenshot reader here, select the words that we'd like read,
the student,
and it should be able to read that text for you. Now, I will say this may not work on every image you try it on, and it does depend pretty heavily on that image being straight and the font being used within this to be fairly standard. Anything too wavy or bolded, Snap&Read does seem to have trouble with when it comes to images. So I hope you found this video helpful, but for more on any of the Don Johnston tools, please be sure to visit learningtools.donjohnston.com or reach out to me directly and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.